Hi everyone, my name is Zaratsian. I'm an event and floral designer. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a hot flame arrangement. Let's go back into my workshop area and I'm going to show you how this is done. I'm going to be making an arrangement called Hot Flame. Look at these torch gingers, posta leaves, and these beautiful garden variety roses. That's all we're going to do. Now, I don't need to line this container because it's already sealed. I'm going to put a little piece of foam underneath that was kind of a waste from previous arrangements. And I'm going to cut this almost in half, like so. And I'm going to push it in. And we're prepared the container. Of course, I'm going to cut the sides, like so. And the reason I do this all the time is I don't want the water to spill over on the surface that you're going to be putting the arrangement. Now that I've done this, I'm going to start with my ginger, and I'm going to take all the leaves out, but I'm not going to toss them away. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. So after I kind of pluck these greens away from the ginger, so beautiful, I'm going to group them. I'm going to do all the groupings of flowers and then the greens separately. So it's going to be more of a modern arrangement than anything else. I'm not going to mix up the flowers at all. So, got one more to do for you. And I'm going to save these leaves and then I'm going to use it in the arrangement. Got it all cleaned out now. Now I'm going to then start, and I'm going to do this arrangement kind of backwards. I was going to do it backwards, but I'm not. So I'm going to start with inserting it like so. And the second one that I do, I'm going to layer it a little above that one. See that? And then I'm going to take these leaves that we have, that are the foliages of the ginger, and all I'm doing is I'm layering it side by side, or on top of each other I should say. And then I'm going to take my wooden hyacinth stick with the wire. I'm going to bind it and wire it all together, like so. And then I'm going to cut the ends of this. Not the stick, but just the leaf stems. I'm going to do 3 more of this, or 2 more of this, like so. I'm sure these will dry up really beautifully. You can tell the texture on them is a little bit rigid. Actually, you can cut it and then do it if you like. And then I'm going to bind these again with the wire and the hyacinth stick. And if you need extra like support that you're going to think that you're going to need, it's not adhering to, you can always take a floral tape, like so. And the secret with this floral tape is you need to stretch it so the wax, like so. I just wanted to make sure that that was going to stay correctly. These don't need to be in the water, obviously, because they're already kind of sort of a dry leaf. I'm going to do one more, and then we're going to continue on with the placement of that. And then we'll do the hosta leaves, and then we'll do the garden roses. I think this is good. Like so. I'm going to take the tape. This is the wax floral tape. We've got different types of tapes in the floral industry, and this one's the waxed version. This I'm going to start taking this way, and I'm going to cluster them like so. And then I'm going to take my hosta leaves, and I'm going to do it kind of sort of in a grouping. And I'm going to put it right there. I grouped it together and I'm cutting it all at once so that I get a nice placement and one insertion in the foam. so it doesn't break it up. And then I'm gonna turn it around. Look how gorgeous this looks. I'm gonna turn it around and put some garden varieties of roses. And this is such an elegant and modern arrangement. Easy to do. You know, grouping of flowers tends to be a little bit more modern. And I'm almost done with this arrangement. A couple more garden roses. And then I'll turn it around so you can see how gorgeous. So when you look at it from each side of the arrangement, there is kind of a very playful interest to it, right? And this is an arrangement that's not one-sided. Obviously, you can see it from every side of the arrangement. And this is my last one. And look how gorgeous this arrangement is, called Hot Flame, with these beautiful garden roses and the ginger and the hosta leaves. For more information on my video tutorials, go to my YouTube channel, Zaratsian, and I'll see you next time.